How to get unlimited Temu promo codes for existing users without invitation. First of all, let's navigate and open any web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the following website. Once you are on the website homepage, next you need to search for Temu, but you can see it's already on my web page. To proceed, tap on the link and it will take you to a new page where you will find Temu active promo codes. Explore the list and select one that you want to use. I am going to use $100 code, so tap on show coupon code. As you can see, this code was verified one day ago. Let's move to the next step, which is unlock now, and it will take you to a new website where you need to complete 2 offers from the list below to unlock your coupon. So you can open any of them and complete the offers. I am going to skip this part to avoid excessive time. Once you are done, your coupon code will be unlocked. And that's it. This is how you can get unlimited coupon codes for existing users. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.